Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t. ds we have secant of t square dt. So we put tan t in here. ds we change by this one. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square we change for secant of t. Now, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I will put about u equal to secant of t. We do first derivative. We have secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we will have about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v. That's about secant of t tan t minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. About tan t square we change into secant of t square minus 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. So we have secant of t to the power of 3 dt plus the integration of secant of t. Because negative with negative, you got positive. And everything in here equals to this one. And this one is about secant of t to the power of 3. Now we put this one go to the right. And we have number 2 with this integration. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c. Now, about t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arcsecant of, arctan of s. So we put this one to replace for t. We know that tan with arctan, we have s. Similar for this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.